Thank you, Mr. President, through you to the members. As Amendments 102 and 103 pertain to the same topic, I'd like to speak to them both at once. Fracking is a practice which involves drilling into the earth and directing a high-pressure mixture of water, sand, and chemicals at a rock layer in order to release the gas inside. The practice has revolutionized the energy industry and been utilized as a way to maximize energy production. This has been, however, at the expense of the environment and natural resources. The negative effects of this practice are momentous. Fracking leads to a myriad of adverse impacts on the environment, including contamination of groundwater, overuse of groundwater, methane pollution, air pollution, exposure to toxic chemicals, and much more. Researchers at Duke University recently conducted a study which analyzed the practice of fracking and usage of 12,000 wells across the U.S. The study made some really critical findings, including that from 2011 to 2016, the water use per well where fracking was conducted increased up to 770%, and that the toxic wastewater produced from these wells in the first year of production jumped to a whopping 1,440%. Additionally, the study warned that the water footprint of fracking could jump as much as 50-fold in some areas by 2030, raising concerns about water sustainability in areas where groundwater supplies are stressed. We need to ensure that Massachusetts does not go down the path of fracking in the name of short-term energy production and the sacrifice of long-term environmental sustainability. Amendment 102 imposes a statewide ban on any efforts around extracting natural gas involving the use of toxic chemicals or the process of fracking. Once the process of fracking does occur, the main concern is the voluminous toxic wastewater produced in need of disposal. Even if no fracking takes place in Massachusetts, we risk being on the receiving end of the fracking boom in nearby states. So to ensure we keep our drinking water pure, Amendment 103 would prohibit such dumping, thus protecting land and water resources. We're trying to move our Massachusetts in a green and renewable direction. Fracking surely cannot be part of that future. I urge my colleagues to support this amendment, which was reported favorably out of committee, and thank you so much, Mr. President.